给他们准备点资料。Okay, so welcome to this working plant. So now you are checking this is a materials pot, and for you to gathering all the information, all the materials. So after you get all the materials together, you can send the material to this feeding pot, and this is a feeding pot, and there is a one pot which you connect with one belt conveyor, and this belt conveyor is going to transfer the materials to the big hammer mill, and the big hammer mill is going to crush the material in a suitable size for the next process. So from this conveyor, the material will be fed into this hammer mill, and after crushing by this hammer mill, the material will be sucked to the top. There is one, we call it material spin. And the material spin is going to distribute the crushed material into two pellet machines. And this pellet machine is for 1 ton per hour. And so both two pellet machines have the capacity about 2 tons per hour. Okay, you can go here. And this is a fan. This fan is to suck the dust from the hammer mill, and you can see this is the back dust collector. All the dust will be come to this dust collector. Yes, just for keeping the working plant clean. Okay, so after the materials sucked through this cyclone to the distributor, we call this a material bin, and then the materials will be distribute to the two pellet machines. So you can check, there is a big material spin, and they will distribute the material to left side and right side, and then the material will be fed through this screw feeder and to the forming part. So when you run the machine, the material will be pressed in this forming part, and the pellets will come out from here through the die. Yes. Okay. So you may ask me that there is one pipes. There's one pipes. You can check. This is one pipe. This pipe. The function of this pipe actually is going to suck the hot air from this forming part, and then to keep the machine working stably. So there is one cyclone, and this cyclone is to connect it with all the pipes to suck hot air from the forming part of the pellet machine. So after the pellet is made by the machine, then there is one belt conveyor. This belt conveyor is going to transfer the finished pellet to the next process. This process we call is a cooling and screening process. So we can see the finished pellets with high temperature will be transferred to this cooler. And after cooling, here I would like to mention again, you see that there is one cyclone also connected with the cooler. Actually, this cyclone, the function of cyclone is also have the dust collection and also to suck the hot airs from the cooler. Then the pellets will be cooled. Okay. So after the cooling process, the pellets will fall down to this belt conveyor. The finished pellets will fall down to this conveyor, and this conveyor is going to send the finished pellets without high temperature to the next process. We call this a packing process. But this customer, our customer, is using the manual packing, so it is very simple for you. You can finish pellets to this finished product bin, and they will manually pack it with the small scale. Yes, because they are not connected with the automatic packing machine. So after packing, So this is a finished pellet. So this is a finished pellet. Okay. Okay. So after packing, this is the whole process finished. Thanks. We are from Zhengzhou E.P Machinery. If you need any pellet products line, you just call me or write email to us. We will help you to solve the business solution for you. Thank you. 再绕一下，中间绕一下，说的非常不好，没感觉进去。你图片一会儿给咱多拍几张啊。嗯。好不啦？